In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trend lines in Tableau software. Let's first ensure we're all set with the Tableau desktop app. Go ahead and open it. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you have that ready to go. Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization, and adding trend lines can provide valuable insight into your data trends over time. Once your Tableau app is up and running, it's time to access your worksheet. Find the worksheet where you want to add the trend line. If this is your first time using Tableau, your worksheet is essentially the canvas where your data visualizations come to life. Next, let's bring in your data. Drag your order date field to the column shelf. This will serve as our timeline, setting the stage for your sales data to tell a story. Now take the sales field and drag it to the rows shelf. This simple action sets up a basic line graph where time is on the horizontal axis and sales are on the vertical. You'll start seeing a preview of your data as you make these moves. At this point, it's helpful to adjust your view settings for optimal visibility. Go to the drop-down menu in the toolbar and choose Entire View. This ensures your entire visualization fits snugly into your worksheet view, giving you a comprehensive look at your data. With your basic line graph ready, let's move on to the exciting part, adding trend lines. Find the Analytics tab located at the top of your screen and click on it. You'll see various analytical tools appear for augmenting your visualization. Now, simply drag the trend line from the options and drop it onto your worksheet. By doing this, you'll notice 5 options for trend lines popping up. Take a moment to explore these if you'd like. Each type of trend line serves a unique purpose, but to keep things straightforward, we're going to select the linear option. Linear trend lines are great for identifying overall trends in your data over time, providing a clean and easy to understand way of summarizing your data's direction. After selecting linear, you should see a line drawn through your data points. This line represents the best fit for your data, calculated by Tableau. But let's take it further by understanding what this trend line tells us. Right-click on the trend line and from the context menu, choose Describe Trend Line Model. A window will pop up offering a deeper dive into the statistics behind your trend line, including details like model type, R-squared value, and more. This is a great way to confirm the trend line's reliability and understand what it represents about your data. Feel free to explore these details to make more informed decisions based on your visualization. And there you have it. You've successfully added a trend line in Tableau, transforming raw data into insightful visual stories. Thanks for following along, and feel free to dive back into Tableau as you discover even more ways to visualize and analyze your data.